Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, November 20, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon Thursday, November 20, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong November 20, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, November 20, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for November 20, 2025, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, November 20, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.